This is your simple, step-by-step guide to navigating the Zoom Events platform. Over the next few moments, we will walk you through everything you need to know to easily find your way around. This is the Zoom Events lobby. Let's take a closer look at the key features available to you here. Across the top, just below the banner, you will find a horizontal row featuring a limited selection of speakers in alphabetical order. Further down on the left, you will also see a quick, limited list of upcoming sessions currently being offered. On the right-hand side, you'll also see the chat area where you can connect and interact with colleagues. Since the main lobby only displays a few sessions, let's take a look at how to find everything. Notice the See All links on your screen. Clicking the top link lets you view the entire list of speakers, and clicking the bottom link lets you view the entire list of sessions being offered. Or, you can simply click the tab at the top that says Sessions. This will also allow you to view all current sessions being offered. While you are in Sessions, you can view all of the sessions that are currently offered. Choose a specific date at the top of the screen to see sessions scheduled for that day, or use the filter options to narrow things down and view by session name or date. Want to keep track of what you want to attend? Click the bookmark icon on any session card to instantly save it to your personal itinerary list. After you have the sessions you want bookmarked, click the itinerary button at the top. Here you can review your personal itinerary showing all the sessions you have chosen. If your schedule changes, you can easily go back to add more sessions or remove any you no longer want. When a session is live, a yellow Join Live button will appear near the session. Once you click it, the session will open up and act just like a normal Zoom meeting or webinar. Did you miss a session? You can watch past sessions right from the lobby. Once a session concludes, the session remains in place and the button updates to watch recording. Please note that it may take a little while for the recording to process and become available after the live session ends. To connect with other attendees, you can head to the top navigation bar and click on Networking to search for a colleague and message them directly, or you can chat right from the lobby. You're all set to navigate Zoom Events. Enjoy your training sessions, and feel free to reach out to the CTLE team by email at ctle@stleo.edu. Or, if you are having technical difficulties, please contact DOIT at 352-588-8888.